So in previous class we have seen first law of thermodynamics. What is first law of thermodynamics? Energy neither can be created nor be destroyed. So delta U is equal to Q plus W. So what is W? W is work done. So today let us see work done. So what is work done? Work done is related to the pressure and change in volume. Pressure and change in volume. So what happened? Pressure increases, volume decreases. Pressure decreases, volume increases. So there is a pressure and change in volume. Delta V. Delta V shows that it's a change in volume. So work done means, what do you mean by work done? Some energy is needed to some work. So the form of energy which is doing the mechanical work. So the mechanical way of transfer of energy, then we say that is work is done. So what do you mean by work? Work is equal to force into displacement. So when you apply certain force to move an object for certain distance, then we say that work is done on the object. So that is the work in equal to force into displacement. The derivation is there. Here this is the first explanation only. So now first let us take a system. If you take a container with ideal gas, if you are applying pressure by using the piston, so you are keeping the piston and out from the outside we say that this external pressure. The pressure which exerted by the gas is known as internal pressure or internal system pressure. So here what happened? When the gas expands, it move the piston upwards. If the gas expands, it move the piston upward. So when the piston move upward, what happened to the gas? Gas is doing the work on the piston. So piston work is done on the piston by the gas. Work is done on the piston by the gas. How? By the expansion of gas. Who is doing the work? The pressure inside the container. The pressure inside the container. That means the pressure of the gas. The pressure of the gas is doing the work. So work done by gas or by the system. Work done by gas or by the system is negative. When the work done will be negative, the work done will be negative if the work done by the gas. So here who is doing the work? Who is pushing the piston? The gas is pushing the piston because gas expand. So the expansion of gas is doing the work done. So this W will be negative. Next, what happen if you apply pressure on the piston? External pressure will be more. So pressure increases, volume decreases. So volume is decreased. That means gas is compressed. So when the gas is compressed, work done on this gas. Work done on the gas from the external pressure. External pressure. So external pressure is more than the internal pressure. So the gas compressed and work done on the gas or on the system, then work done will be positive. Work done will be positive. Actually, work done on the system, then work done is positive. Work done by the system, then work done is negative. Actually, there is no sign for plus the positive or negative sign for work done. The sign is only magnitude. It is nowhere related. It shows that whether the work is done by the system or on the system. Before that, could you recall that if Q is positive, that means heat. Q is positive. What do you mean by that? Heat is given to the system. If Q is negative, what happened? The heat is given by the system. So, when you are applying, that is one way related by the Q. Here when you are doing the work done the pressure of the gas, if you are applying piston at certain time, the piston will not move. That means the pressure inside the system is equal to the external pressure. The pressure inside the system is equal to the external pressure. So if you apply the pressure slowly, then it is known as reversible. So when you see the reversible process, here the system is there. You are applying pressure by using the piston. So the pressure inside the system is equal to the external pressure. Then it will not move. So if you apply the pressure slowly, so external pressure is applied on the internal pressure. If you apply the pressure slowly, then we say that it is a reversible process. Now the piston is not moving. So you are dropping a small particle of sand, a small mass of sand. So the small mass of sand will give very negligible external pressure on the system. So the pressure external minus pressure of gas. Pressure external minus pressure of gas. That means pressure external is there and the difference between pressure internal, that is dP. It is very small. So dP is 0. The change in pressure, because we are using very small particles, so the change in pressure is 0. So it is made by infinity step. That means it is a stepwise process. So first you are using one particle of sand, it move sometime it may not move, or it may very negligible displacement, and slowly step by step process. The reversible process is step by step process. By applying pressure, volume can be decreased. So you know that pressure is equal to force per area. What is pressure? Pressure is equal to force per area. So when you are applying the piston is giving one force and the gas is giving another force. So when we say that the piston giving force is driving force, the gas applying one force on the piston is opposing force. So the difference between opposing force minus driving force, it is very very small when we use small particle. Then it is a reversible process. So dP is 0. When it is a reversible process. In a irreversible process, you have taken the piston and you are applying, and you are using a large mass of sand. When you keep a large mass of sand at once on the piston, what happens to the piston? Piston moves at once. In a finished step, what happened to that? The piston move downward because of the mass of the sand. So here what happened? This opposing force minus driving force is there. Opposing force minus driving force is large. Why? Because we are using a large mass of sand. So when the large difference is there, we say that is delta P. Delta P is large. That means the change in pressure is more at once. So pressure external minus pressure gas is equal to delta P. Pressure external minus pressure of gas is equal to delta P. So that is the deriving of delta P. Delta V means the change in volume. That means initial volume and final volume. When you are applying pressure, first initial volume will be there. You are applying pressure, the final volume will be less. then it will be a negative sign. So when you see that work done on the gas when there is a change in volume. If we show this integral when the change occur in a very small variation. The change is the small variation, we use this integral. So volume 1 and volume 2 or initial volume and final volume is very less. So work done of gas is integral of V1, V2 or V initial or V final into pressure of gas and dV is change in volume, pressure of gas and dV. So when you take the piston, what happened to that? External pressure is there and internal pressure also given to the system. So when the pressure of gas is equal to minus pressure of external. So W work done on the gas is equal to integral of V initial V final. So we know that why it is pressure of external is negative, because final volume is less, so that it is negative. So pressure of external is into change in volume dV. So negative sign if W gas work done on the gas negative integral volume 1 to volume pressure external into dV. So here the sign will be using it for cancelling the sign of work done. So volume increase, it is a positive change dV. Volume increase, there is a positive change dV. So here positive, so then work done will be a negative. So volume increases, so plus positive change dV, it shows that. So then work done will be a negative. So work done by the gas. So work done by the gas. Here who is doing the work? Work done by the. So when you take this piston, here gas is pushing the piston up. So work done gas is negative integral and positive dV. Here what happened? Volume decreases. So now work done by the gas is negative. Work done by the gas is negative. Work done gas is equal to negative, so that because of volume decreases. So volume decreases, change in dV is negative, then work done will be positive. W gas minus work B1, B2 pressure external minus dV. So work done on the system. Work done on the system is positive. Work done by the system is negative. So the definition is there. If you see the in your textbook, graph is there and also derivation also given.